Hi everybody, it's Lauren Brown, also known as Raggy Royal, on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and now YouTube. And today we're going to be doing this deep berry, plum, question mark, vampy. Take us to the intro. Okay, so today we're going to be doing this lip right here, and I'm very excited to show it to you. This is going to be in the series of all my lip tutorials I've been doing lately. Burgundy, orange, blue, smoky. And I've been doing this lip a lot, but I haven't realized that I haven't made a tutorial on it. First of all, I just want to say thank you for 45,000 subscribers. We're almost to 50, so thank you so much for that. If you enjoyed this video along the way, please give it a like and subscribing down below. We're going to get right into the lips. Oh wait, elephant in the room. I have a tutorial on how to do these eyes too. Don't worry, I have a tutorial on how to do these eyes too, and that's what actually inspired me to go ahead and make a video on this lip. So you'll get to do the entire face, don't worry. Let's get into this lip. First things first, we're gonna highlight the Cupid's bow. I'm gonna take the Estate Makeup Highlighter in Lunar. You can use any champagne shade, any light highlighter shade. And I'm going to use my finger. This is going to be a real casual part of the tutorial. You don't need a brush or anything like that. And then I'm going to apply it to my Cupid's bow. Where is your Cupid's bow? That's going to be the left side of your top lip and the right side of your top lip meeting. It usually forms a little V. But they do come in all shapes and sizes. So if yours doesn't look exactly like mine, that's cool. But in this general area, that's where you're going to apply that highlight shade. The reason why you highlight the Cupid's bow is because when you add that light shade, right underneath that super dark liner is going to build contrast. It's going to emphasize the shape of your lips. Okay, so in every Lauren Brown lip combo tutorial, there's going to be your liner shade, your dark shade, your main shade, and your highlight shade, and sometimes a gloss. So today we're going to start with the liner shade, your dark shade. And this is going to be a Sephora Cream Lip Stain in shade 28. You can use any black lipstick that you have. You can also use pencils. If you have a black pencil, that'll work too. I'm going to start on the right side of the top lip. Now I do line above the exact line of my lips. I don't overline because I want to plump up the sides. I more so want to emphasize the shape. I'm going to do the same on the other side of the top lip. Get that nice and crisp going into that corner. And then lining the bottom lip. We're going to ignore how stained my lips are, okay? Because I just did the burgundy lip tutorial and wiping it off was a little bit much. Before everything dries down, I'm going to make sure that I like the shape. So I'm going back over, getting that line straight. Getting the line shape straight at here as well. Because black lipstick is so messy, if you have a issue, like I feel like we're gonna bounce a little bit right here, I recommend using a brush instead of your fingers, because once you use your fingers, then you want to touch something else, it'd be black everywhere. So I'm gonna let that dry down just a smidgen while that's working. I'm going to go ahead and grab our next product. So this is gonna be the Revlon Color Stay Matte Lip Crayon, and this is in shade On Cloud Wine. Okay, I'm gonna open this up here. It is a crayon, so a little bit less stressful than the liquid liner. And we're gonna go ahead and add that right on top of that black. And with that Revlon pencil, you can even go a little bit more onto the actual lip. The black was to get us the darkness, right? So the black was to get us the depth, the darkness, to really go with this vampy eye we got going on and just go with the right? Now, we added this to get that color because black lipsticks can really like lean more blue, green, more cool, and it just, we need it to look intentional. So we're adding this dark shade right on top of that black so that it looks like a deep berry and not just like a blue-green black. Now that we have the depth going on, let's get into the other parts of this ombre. I'm going to use this Too Faced Empower Cream Lipstick in Upgrade. I actually just got this, but I was like, I feel like it's going to be perfect. So let's see. And I'm going to add it right to the center of the lip. I was right. But right to the center of the, ooh, it kind of smells like chocolate, which I don't really like, but I know a lot of people do, so. Very nice. I feel like we need to lighten up the center of the lip just a little bit. Some people use concealer for this. I'm going to use the About Face Matte Fluid Eye Paint. If you've been at any of my tutorials, you already knew what was coming. Matte Fluid Eye Paint in On Point, which is this super, super light pink. And I'm going to just add this right to the center of the lip. And then wipe that off because I didn't think that through. now it is berry. I'm going to put some of that on the back of my hand this time. And use this small brush to apply it to the center of the lip. And all that's really doing is just lightening up the center of that lip so it's not so dark. And the reason why I want to lighten up the center of the lip is because anytime you add a highlight on the face, that's where you're attracting eyes, where you're attracting attention to the center of the lip. Also because I want it to be an ombre. I want it to just look like black and a little purple. I want to build it out. Very nice, very nice. Okay, now you can leave it right here. Just stop here. I'm going to add a gloss. This is the Too Faced Kissing Jelly Gloss, and this is in shade Raspberry. So let's see. Yes. I've been using this gloss here, which is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Heat and Lavender Savage, but I realized on the website, they don't sell this anymore, which happens to like all of my favorite products that I always recommend. They don't sell this anymore. So this, I was trying to see if this was a good dupe, not even dupe, but good comparable colored lip gloss. And I believe it is. You let me know what you think about it in the comments. Here is the final lip. Now, if you don't want to use a colored gloss, you can also use a clear gloss here. That would give you the glossy effect. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing down below. Thank you so much for 45,000 subscribers. We're on our way to the big 50, on our way to the big 100. And beyond. Please make sure you subscribe down below because sometimes I be thinking I'm subscribed to people and I look down there and I'm not. So there's that. If you want to see any more lip tutorials, guess what? I have plenty. I have a burgundy lip tutorial that I filmed at the same time, so I'm not sure which one will go up first. Orange, blue, smoky. Yes, smoky. I like that one a lot. Nude, pink bubblegum, hot pink. Now let me show y'all something. You put one finger in your mouth, and that's how you make sure that the lipstick does not get on your teeth. Because I just filmed an outro with lip gloss all over my teeth. I was like, I keep tasting this. It must be really strong. No, it was all over my teeth. So try that out. Put the finger in your mouth. Make sure that there's no lip gloss that's on your teeth. We're good. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing down below. We just hit 45,000 subscribers on our way to the big 50, on our way to the big 100, and beyond. If you want to know how I did anything on my face, don't worry, there's a tutorial for it. How I do my pink base is already up. These berry eyes, I did a tutorial for those as well. Brows, lashes, stay a while. I have a video for you. Trust me, I have a video for you. And if you try out these lips, I would love to see them. Please tag me at Raggedy Royal on Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok. And that's where I do more of my looks. I share more of my life. And I have a bucket list series on TikTok where I try different foods, activities, cuisines. We do a lot of fun stuff on the other socials. So check me out over there, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.